done the Ivanhoe, have you?
No. I live on it, but I've not done it.
Twice. I did it in 2014. It's a challenge event. You have 15 hours to do it. And then 2021 or something like that, I did it over 2 days.
Nice.
I want to do it this year over 24 hours. Like have breakfast, lunch and dinner.
That'd be good.
You just take it, midnight to midnight.
How many miles is it?
37.
Oh, okay. That's not too bad, is it? 3 miles an hour, you've done it in 10 hours, haven't you? Sorry.
Yeah, if you want,
I try and slow myself down now.
On
a little bit. So I normally try and pace it, but I try and slow down now.
You're going to win it this year. Give somebody else a chance.
I was reading it last night. It's like it's guided, so
Yeah.
but they say you can go off if you want. I'll just see what the pace of the group is. If they're really dithering, I'll just crack on, I think.
The thing is, you have to raise money, quite a bit of money for it.
Well, this one, because it's their first one ever done, so it's for a different charity. This one is,
okay.
yeah. They said just get what you can, sort of thing. So I've not overly pushed it.
Yeah. You can do the other one as well.
Because that's normally September, so I might do. I'll see if I recovered from June. Take me a couple of months to recover from June, I think. Yeah. We'll see. Which would be nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, looking forward to it.
Changed a lot because you got the second park and I wouldn't recognise it.
Nice.
There might be a few people still in the hotel I recognise. You've got to be steady on your feet and good with heights. I think as I've got older, I've got vertigo,
Yeah, I'm not steady enough on my feet, to be honest. This is my limit here, look. Off-roading. When it's like this, you don't see anyone on the trails. It's great.
Yeah. No, of course, I don't like crowds. So.
No. Well, look, if Saturday I'm already on about leaving them. I'm not even doing it yet. Oh wow, this is well up. Nice little stream. Oh, you could drink that, look.
I want to do these other walks like the Leicestershire groups and hiking buddies, and you got like Nottingham Lass and
Yeah.
the weekend just joining with groups, maybe make a few contacts. And
Yeah, I see that Nottingham Lass. Yeah, I see that Nottingham Lass is right out there at the minute, isn't she? She's everywhere.
Yeah.
Which is a good thing, It's,
Yeah.
That's what you have to do.
Depends how much time you've got to dedicate to it, doesn't it?
Yeah.
But whatever you do, what you can. I feel like I found my niche with my walking. I've got walking, day walks, multi-day, car camping, bivvy camping, wild camping. I'm not going to be like Liam Brown and go out all over Europe. I haven't got the time, money.
Route it. I think someone walked it and it's like, wait a minute, I can't really do that. Yeah, after this one. Charlie Mill into Charnwood. Nice big iron gates, cameras.
gates, it gives you a warning. You'll get too close to the gates or something.
Oh, really?
It's actually warning you away.
You have 10 seconds to comply. Like Ed 209. At least the gates are nice and wide.
Yeah.
Get your backpack in. Charnwood Woods. Charlie Wood. Charnwood Woods. Yeah. Oh. I did a slow motion on my latest one, walking through puddles. It worked quite well. I'm going to do it like that. I have, yes. Yay! Yeah. It's quite. That's it. So it was a bit funny dismount on that one. I like it. I like the maps. The maps are very nice. I'll show you when we. I like. Yeah. Oh, really?
But then near the end, there suddenly was a stampede, you know, and it was like some bullets, 3 bullets running away. I disturbed them.
I bet they were asleep.
Like stampede, they just kept to the other side of the field.
Yeah. No.
I looked for the eyes.
Yeah. Someone's balloon. Definitely.
Bird of prey.
Hello, cows. Loads of cows, man. I think we're okay though. I think they're eating, so it should be okay. Cows, run for the hills. So we've just come through the cow field. We're now on the road. This road goes into Shepshire, and this is, I think it's like Ives Head Dip. Up on that hill is a trig point, but we're not going to do that today. Go to Blackbrook Reservoir. This is for sale.
You know, this to your portfolio?
Well, yeah, I think I might do. They used to sell honey. I don't know if they still do. We are Blackbrook Reservoir. Take the roast off for a minute, really. So what we're going to do, okay, so we have a little bit of a cook up. We're going to have a cup of tea and the best thing ever for outdoor. Let me show you 1 second. Let's have a look. Sweet and sour pot noodle. Happy days. I've got an OEX cook kit. Boil some water up. Have a pot noodle. Give it a stir. Living the high life now, look, cup of tea and a pot noodle for lunch. Happy days. Look at that, sweet and sour pot noodle. Lunch of kings.
As you can see, the wild man prepares his food over open flame, waiting and anticipating the feast to come.
Pot noodle. Yeah, yummy. So here we go into the bog. Oh my god, it is. Oh, that's quite solid. That's all right. Who's gonna fall over first? It's not bad. This ain't bad. It's not. Who's watching the watcher? Oh, this is all right. It's not the mud, it's me. I'm the liability. Oh, this is a piece of cake. No. No. The monastery.
It's quite a modern one, isn't it?
Yeah. Well, I got a lovely scenery, and then you got dog shit in bags on the tree.
Oh,
Hi,
yeah.
Doc, you alright?
Yeah, they must have climbed it.
It's literally off. Do you want any tyres?
Oh yeah. The right side.
Coming down here, that'll do.